Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat lags in Realme 15 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down. So click on app management and then scroll down and click on Snapchat app. Now click on storage usage and here you can clear the cache memory of app. After clear the cache memory, then go back and click on system and update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back to your home screen and press and hold on Snapchat. Now click on uninstall. After uninstall your Snapchat, then reinstall it. After that, go back and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.